Hi and hello friends. Welcome to my channel friends. Okay, how to earn $100 per day by cloud mining. Okay, you know that cloud mining. Okay, app name called More Mining app. Just scroll down or click on plans. Now you can see here $6,000 15 days. Purchase this contract, you will get $200 bonus. Okay, contract term 15 days per day daily income. After 24 hours, you will get $96.6 per day. Okay, depends on the contract, you will get more money. Okay, just click on my contract history. Now, amount $12 and 1 day contract and USD total profit 6.6, return 600. Okay, this is my contract history. Then again click to scroll down, click on plans. $100 per 3 days. Daily income $3.2 per day. Third contract $500 for 7 days. Per day daily income $6.25 per day income. Okay. App link in the description box and first command. Okay, just click on sign up. How to create account. You will get 12 free USD. Use my code, referral code. Okay, just your username, enter your username, mail address and password. Confirm your password, then payment password, referral code here. Enter and get your free USD, 12 USD. Then click to sign up now. Okay, now how to deposit USD. Just click on home page here, then click on deposit here. Click on chain USD TRC20 or ERC20 BTC, which you want. Select your deposit method, then click to enter your amount. Then click to submit here. Then wallet address here. Click on copy and just paste into your Binance account or any other exchanges. Okay, then send USD to this wallet address and upload your screenshot. After that, upload your screenshot. Then click to submit here. Okay, for more updates, subscribe now, and if you have any doubt, just comment below. I will reply soon as possible.